How to fix network connection error in Infinity Nikki. I'm going to tell you how to fix network connection errors in Infinity Nikki. If you're stuck on the login screen or getting network timeouts, try this. First, check your internet connection. Use Wi-Fi over mobile data if possible, and switch to 5 GHz if you're on dual bandwidth. A fast, stable signal matters here. Next, try using a VPN, especially if servers are region locked or overloaded in your area. Singapore or Japan servers tend to be more stable for some users. Now clear the game's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Infinity Nikki, Storage, and then Clear Cache. On iOS, just reinstall the app. Still having issues? Disable any battery savers, data limiters, or background app restrictions. These can block the game from connecting. Also, check the game's official socials or Discord for maintenance alerts or server issues. Sometimes it's not your fault.